The BRZ is back with a new face. This is the second gen 2022 Subaru BRZ, and its upgrades aren't merely cosmetic. Inside, the cabin has been reworked and is even more driver-focused. The hood, fenders, and roof, they're all aluminum. That helps keep things light. The center of gravity is in fact lower than the outgoing BRZ, and there's a new engine under the hood. No, it does not have a turbo, but it is the 2.4-liter boxer mill everyone was guessing would be in there. Here, it's making 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, and you can still get it with a manual gearbox. If you opt for the automatic, you do get Subaru's eyesight system as standard, but you're going to want to row your own here. Gone are the torque lulls of the older version of the BRZ. This one seems to keep power up throughout the rev range, as Subaru Hot Shoe Scott Speed demonstrated for us at Thermal Raceway outside of Palm Springs, California. Sitting right seat, we got some feel for the car, but of course nowhere near as much as we'd like. But we also could never come close to ringing it out like Mr. Speed.
The biggest thing you probably feel is like there's no real gap in the power band. Yeah. Like there's no roll through the mid-range, and then it's got a little bit more power, so you can play with the rear traction a bit coming off the corners. Yeah. And that to me it's a pretty good balance from power to weight. I think what the BRZ's always done really well is that where they've got the weight in the car and the center of gravity, it's very well balanced. Yeah. So whether you're going through a slow speed corner or a high speed corner, you're still using the front and rear tires pretty close. Okay. And so you don't really fight a big understeer or a big oversteer, so you can kind of play with it one way or the other. Nice. Like I can make this thing understeer a little bit if I want, right? Or I can make it oversteer just by like the inputs I'm giving it.
This is a pure, affordable sports car, and that's a wonderful thing in today's crossover-obsessed market. Front engine, rear drive, awesome. And if you get the limited trim, it comes with 18-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. The lower trim gets 17-inch wheels. And yes, Subaru says you can still fit 4 racing tires in the back of this thing. Keep your eyes peeled for the 2022 Subaru BRZ to hit showrooms sometime in the fall of 2021.